Jobstreet by Z goes to Bacolod. Ari na kami. This is in partnership, of course, with the local government here in Bacolod. To kickstart our caravan, we will have a week-long career fair and employer event that will really highlight and support our Bacolod employers to find the talent that fits their need. Ayun, I'm sure you guys are excited. I am very excited. I'm excited to be back here in Bacolod. Excited na rin akong inasal mamaya.
Thank you for that insightful presentation. Exciting ba? Is it exciting, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, apply na kayo. Yeah. So, no, it really shows how Jobstreet has been working hard to really make opportunities more accessible and quality talents more attainable, no? As you can see naman, no, Jobstreet really adapted during the pandemic. Kasi usually, di ba, before the pandemic happened, sanay tayo sa on-ground job fairs, yan, no, face-to-face na application and interviews. But, nung pandemic, na-introduce tayo sa virtual career fairs because of Jobstreet, so you can just apply for jobs from the comforts of your home. So, ganon dedicated si Jobstreet in making opportunities talaga or making their commitment, a job for every Filipino really possible. So, a round of applause naman dyan, no? Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, and it's great to know that Jobstreet has been trusted by many companies and millions of candidates for many years. And speaking of many years, did you know that Jobstreet Philippines just celebrated their 25th year? So, ganun na po katagal si Jobstreet. 25 years na. So, medyo kapatid ko. Yeah. Over the years, the platform has truly evolved from an online employment platform to a career marketplace. So, before, you can just apply jobs at Jobstreet, but now, hindi lang apply ng jobs, no? You can also get career advice, align your career goals, and get better in your hiring strategies for our employers.
Thank you, Queenie. Magandang umaga po. How do you say magandang umaga in Ilonggo? Mayong aga po sa inyong lahat. Again, super happy po kami and kaya nga nasabi ni Kim, no, when we landed last night, kahit ako, I was so surprised because I was here like 8 years ago. Marami pang talahiban. But I think marami pa rin naman. Marami pa rin sugarcane. But you know, I can see a lot of companies here, and we're really excited to be here in piloting our first provincial caravan here in Bacolod City. Are you happy as well, guys? That we are partnering. And as much as I'm also happy, I also like to acknowledge and give our thanks to our dear PESO manager, Ma'am Jovelyn. Thank you very much. You know, without them, without our government partners, talaga, we couldn't be here, right? That's why, ari na kami. We're here, and we're here in partnership with the Bacolod City Local Government Unit, the Office of the Mayor, the PESO, Public Employment Service Office, and of course, the Department of Labor and Employment. So maraming salamat po sa aming government partners. So now I'm here to tell you what is going to happen. Ano pong mangyayari, no? And then, gaya nga sabi ni Kim, we'd like to help, we'd like to ask for your help, no? To help us amplify, no? To help us support all our activities kasi nga po madami talaga mangyayari. So next slide please. Yeah. So, like I mentioned, it will pile up here in Bacolod, and so sobrang excited po kami. I've been saying excitement word for many already, but we really are excited, no? And we're piloting here in Bacolod. You're gonna expect to see offline media as well in the coming weeks. We'll be having a billboard in Lacson Street. We'll also be putting up some lamppost banners. You'll see more of Jobstreet. You know, I was calling some of the business groups in the past weeks. May mga iba ako nakakausap. Sir, ano po? Jobs, ano po ulit? Jobs, ano ulit? Sabi ko, Jobstreet. Kalye, job, kalye, gano'n. Talagang they have no idea about Jobstreet, ano? And as much as it pains me na gano'n yung nangyayari, I think all the more really inspires us to go here and really introduce and reintroduce Jobstreet. And I'm happy na sabi ni Kim na nakita natin na marami po kayong familiar with Jobstreet, but we need to really talk to the youth, no? Yung mga sanay sa TikTok, sanay sa Facebook, no, really need to reintroduce Jobstreet because this has been a trusted platform for the past 25 years, as you can see. And yung nakita niyo yung video, maraming ganun na naging totoo talaga, na we've been really a partner of these small, even micro, no, micro entrepreneurs, micro businesses, as they scale up to becoming a big business. Now, I'm also excited to share with you some of the activities we're going to do. No, so as you mentioned, we have a PR event. We also have we're going to do a lot also online. We're going to partner with. You're going to see a lot of us also in Bacolod hiring groups or Facebook groups. We're also going to partner with a lot of business groups as well. We'll be meeting with them next week. Every day may kausap tayo. We're going to meet with the likes of Metro Bacolod Chamber of Commerce and Bacolod Entrepreneurs United, mga MSMEs natin. No? So we're happy to be going around Bacolod next week, starting February 13. No? And our hire night will be, we'll have a hire gathering of all existing Bacolod clients and hires. We call the employers hires. No? Our employers in Bacolod are existing Jobstreet employers or partners, and also we're opening up to new employers, no, who are interested, who would like to meet. Punta tayo sa February 15. It's going to be a gathering of hires. Now, and last but not the least, I'm very, very excited about this. It's our campus tour. We're going to have a booth there. And we're also going to share some career insights sa mga estudyante natin, sa mga fresh graduates natin, because we really want to help them, and and not just a recall na I can also download Jobstreet, but also to help them in their career, to start their career. Kasi ganun din kami. When I was starting in my career, I also heard and read a lot of Jobstreet insights when I was starting XX years ago. And we're also going to Carlos Hilado Memorial College. They are very excited to partner with us, and we're also very looking forward talaga to be there. So again, just to summarize, no, meron tayong as Jobstreet is catering to employers. On the other side of the business, you're also catering to candidates or job seekers. No? So in this caravan, we're going to have both. So we're going to do a lot of candidate or job seeker facing activations, and we're going to also talk to a lot of employers to really help uplift the lives of Bacolodnons. And not just Bacolodnons, but also Negros Occidental, right? And on the side of really helping the fresh graduates or the job seekers of Bacolodnons, but also try to help the employment marketplace as a whole, and in partnership with our government partners. Next slide, please. There. So let me just go through our three major events. Like I mentioned, our Hire Night, an exclusive event for both new and existing employers on February 15 here in Bacolod. We also have, next, like I said, campus activation. We have University of St. LaSalle and Occidental College. We also, coming soon, is our Carlos Hilado Memorial College. We will be present in various schools to share job hunting tips. And like I said, career insights to the youth that I did when I was starting as well, and you were starting as well. Ang swerte na ng mga kabataan ngayon, we have all these helpful tips and helpful activations to really guide them. No? So Jobstreet is not just your trusted talent partner, but also your trusted partner in helping our job seekers provide a better career path. There, and lastly, to culminate all these candidate-facing events and also our employer-facing events will be in SMCP Bacolod on February 18 in partnership with Ma'am Jovelyn, our PESO manager, our PESO office, in partnership with LGU, Bacolod City Office of Mayor, and DOLE regional office. We'll be having our Bacolod Career Fair on February 18. And please come, you're all welcome to come. The Career Fair will happen as in Bacolod for employers and job seekers. There will be 30 invited employers who will be in our booth, who will be hiring. We'll also invite, of course, Ma'am Jovelyn to be there, to be part of our ribbon cutting. And we'll also have career insights as well for all those in SM. It will be in the main atrium, so malaking ano siya. I think the last time you guys had an event there with DOLE, no? But this time we'll make it really inclusive, no? Because we're going to put some booths there. We're going to, yung mga nakikita niyo photographer, they will also be there because we're going to put up a profile photo booth. Imagine, they can have their ideal picture for free, yung mga job seekers natin. We also have some booths because we're going to put up a dream wall, you know, for them to really, manifest and really claim, you know, their dreams. So really excited about it. I hope you guys can come on February 18, our culminating event in SM City, Bacolod. And you know, so top employers will be there. We have invited some of the biggest employers here. We also have invited new employers or hirers, no? Ibig sabihin, hindi lang namin siya nilimit sa sarili naming mga clients. We've also opened it up to Bacolod employers who would want, no, to get access to these job seekers. And we're doing it for free, absolutely for free, for our Bacolod employers. That's how committed we are. That's how great or grand of a vision we have for our provincial caravan. It's really just to help uplift the employment marketplace of Bacolod. There we go. Next. I think that's it. So just an idea, no, on the hottest job vacancies. I'm sure you're asking po, ano po yung mga jobs that we'll be hiring, no? I just spoke to one company just this morning, and they're saying that, sir, we'll be hiring some managers as well. So don't expect na we'll be hiring not just, you know, mga positions na in the BPO industry. We're also hiring a plethora, ang daming mga industries that will be hiring as well. So we have operations support, sourcing manager, supply chain manager, talent acquisition, because industrial engineer, because we know that there will be manufacturing, construction companies who will be joining, BPO, even banks like BDO will be there as well. So we're really excited. Next up. There. So as a whole, like what Kim said, no, we are here to, our vision is really to uplift the employment marketplace of the whole Philippines. And we are piloting it here in Bacolod. Now, sabi ni Kim kanina, we are helping our job seekers, especially yung mga naapektuhan ng pandemic. And during the pandemic as well, we piloted our flexible job ad package called Ad Budget. It's our latest package ad offering more control and flexibility to our hires. Para hindi lang yung job seekers but also the employers that we are helping as well. Alright, next. There, so I won't go into detail, no, but our new ad budget is just allowing our employers, so the whole Philippines, Filipino employers, to have more flexibility and control with their hiring. Alright, next. Konti na lang ata to. Tapos na. That's it. Okay. So, yes, yay. Alright. So before I end po, I'd like to leave with